Okay, good morning, guys. So today we are going to start with the future value. Okay, I hope you guys are familiar with this concept. So I'm just about to start. Okay, so let's start. So the future values formula is this: is the present value bracket 1 plus 1 upon the interest rate. Y is the rate of interest, and into the power n, that's the time period. Okay, so let's calculate this first question. So the future value of rupees 300 3 years from now, and the interest rate is 10%. So what would be the future value, and is the compounding interest rate compounding? We have to find the compounding value, future value. So what we can do is we can multiply the 300, that is present value, into 1 plus 10% into power 3. That's this formula. Okay, or what we can do is we can do it through a calculator as well. So I hope you are all familiar with this calculator. So if we add 300 in this present value and 10% as a rate of interest, and n is this 3 years, and we compute this, it would be I guess I have not selected 0 as payment. Okay, so 399.3, and if we do it like this, 1.1 is to power 3 into 300 is going to be the same answer, you can see. Okay, so let's move on. Now we have to find the present value of 300 to be received in 3 years. Okay, so now is the other way around. Okay, so is we have to receive 300 in 3 years with the compounding rate of interest of 10%, and we have to find the present value. So what we can do is we can divide 300 by 1.1 is to 3, the power 3. So let's do it. First we will calculate 1.1 into the power 3, that's 1.33, and we will divide it by 300, 1.331, that's 225.3. and just to verify it, we will do it on the calculator formula as well. So our future value is 300. Okay, 10% is our IY, n is 3, and compute the present value 225.39. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Second, our next concept is the annuity. Okay, so annuity, I will tell you, annuity is a stream of equal cash flows that occurs in equal intervals. Okay, so let's say you invested 1 lakh rupees today, and you will get 2,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees for 10 years when you get 60. So that's like an annuity, and you will be getting at the age of 60, 61, 62, 20,000 rupees till 10 for 10 years, 60 to 70k to age. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Future value of annuity of 300 end of the year payments. Okay, at the rate of 10% interest rate. So what we can do is we can calculate by this. So first payment is 300, and we have to find the present value, that's this value. Okay, so 300, if we discount 300 by 2 years, future value of the annuity of 3, okay, sorry, we have to calculate this. Okay, at this period we have to calculate the future value. So at this period 300, if we want to increase, add the interest as well, so we will multiply it by 2 periods. Okay, 1 2 10% the interest rate, 1.10 into the power 2, so that's 2 period. 300 this one, and is only for 1 period, so we will multiply it by 1.10. And we have invested just, we have we have received 300 rupees just now, so we can't invest it right now and earn some interest rate within just few hours, so it will be only 300 here. Okay, and if we calculate this on the calculator, I can show you. First I will clear the TVM. 300 payment, and for 3 years 10% I buy, and if we compute the future value, that would be 993 rupees. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Present value of annuity of 300, and at the rate end of end of the year payments this. Okay, so now we have to calculate the present value, that's this one. Okay, this value, everything is same, just we have to calculate the present value instead of future value. So what should we do? We have this 300 rupees and we have to take it back to here, so we will divide it by 1.1 to the power 3, this for 2 periods. Okay, so to the power 2, and this to the 1 period, so that's this. Okay, so if we calculate this, okay, and compute P by Y, that would be 746. All the values are same, just we have to calculate for this. Okay, got it? I hope you guys understand this. Okay, and I think we might have to divide it for 1 period, I guess. No, wait, 10%, that's this for 2 period, 10%. Okay, it's all right. Now present value of annuity. What is the present value of 300 rupees beginning of the year annuity payment? Okay, so is now the question is a little bit complicated, I would say. So the question is, the payment will be receiving from the beginning of the year. Okay, so we will be receiving from here, not 1 to 3 but 0 1 2. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated, but no need to worry, we can still calculate this. Okay, so if I clear this TVM, and let's see, payment of 300. Okay, and I by Y is 10%, N is 3, and we have to calculate the present value. Compute present value, that's 746. Okay, but we have received for here, the 746 value is for here. Okay, 746. So what we will do is, we need the present value for here. Okay, so what we will do is, we will multiply 746 into 1.10 to get the compound